family, what up, what up? Tupu here, and today I'm gonna do like a quick tutorial on how to get your hair from this to a nice 40s update.
So first things first, brush out and curl your hair, rolling and pinning your curls towards the back of your head.
Okay, so we've got the hair all curled and we're just gonna leave it to set. Normally if you're doing this in the morning or before you're about to go out, use this time to do your makeup. My face is painted, so instead I'm gonna go play some games. See you back. Hey, cool, we're back and the hair has all cooled down, so it's wonderful and we're ready to start working on it.
Our next step is to remove our pin curls and brush through our hair with our fingers. Then we're going to separate our hair into two sections, half up and half down, using our ears as a measuring point. Coolies! Now we'll work on the bottom section. Brush through your hair before teasing the bottom section, going a bit at a time. Apply some pomade and use a bristle brush to smooth the tease section out. Right, now as you gently brush through the sides of your hair, you're going to roll the ends inwards towards your face and twist this up so you can pin it behind your ear. Roll and pin the back into place too. But don't worry if you can't get this bit down, I'll show you some alternatives at the end. For that iconic 40s dip, we're going to use duckbill clips and pin those in. Then we're going to take a thin hair net, toss it over and spray everything down. Okie dokes, now take your bun and slice that thing in half. Then take a sock or stockings that matches your hair colour and squidge it in. Boom, and just like that, we've made our fake pompadour. This will do all the hard work for us, but shh, don't tell no one, innit? Alrighties, now we're going to style the top section. Brush it all out, making sure you flick up your ends, okay? Cool. Separate this top section into three. We want two side pieces and the middle piece. Pin the side pieces out the way so we can work on the middle. From this middle section, we're going to part away some hair at the front. I don't know if you see what I mean, but this will basically be our leave out that we're going to use to neaten up the whole thing at the end. So pin this out the way so we can work on the bulk of the middle section. Like before, we're going to apply some pomade, brush and then tease. Focus on teasing near your roots because you want to create like a cushion for the pompadour to sit on. Smooth it over and then pin the pompadour in place. It's easy if you push a pin through the sock and then push that into the teased hair. Fabuloso! We're almost done. Now this part is literally just brushing back the hair and tucking it behind the pompadour. Take your time to cover it as much as you can. Back to the side pieces, you're going to unpin them, comb them through, roll them up and sit them nicely in place. Repeat on the other side, pin in place and then neaten it up. You want a nice crisp U shape, yeah? Right-yos, final step, we're going to go back to our leave out. Now you can be all fancy and make cute swirly whirls, or you can be lazy like me and just brush it all back. But basically we're going to use it to neaten up the whole thing and cover up any gaps. Make sure everything's secure, remove them duckbill clips, spray it all up and voila, you're done. Looking like something out of Blade Runner. Now for some final touches. I normally slip my edges up so it's real crisp, but you can use flowers or clipping accessories to hide any mistakes. If you find that you don't have that much hair for the pompadour, all you have to do is get some weave and clip that in and use that to style it. Now say the bottom section of your hair did you dirty and didn't cooperate. No problem. Rolling it into a page boy type style is just my personal preference because I'm from London, it's always raining here so my curls literally go poof. But you can use traditional pin curls and have a nice fluffy curl set, or you can just pin it all back and tie a turban around it like this. Honestly, the possibilities are endless, so get out there and make it work for you. Hugs and kisses, guys.